1. Sadia Tariq, who is seen in the picture, is associated with which sports? A. Hockey. B. Wushu. C. Gymnastics. D. Weightlifting. Correct answer is B. Wushu. She is the first Kashmiri girl to win a world championship in Wushu. 15-year-old from Srinagar participated in the Moscow Wushu Stars Championship amid the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war and won the gold medal at a junior tournament being held in Moscow. Second, Indian women's hockey team won which position in the Asian Cup 2022? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Correct answer is C. Third. India women's hockey team have won bronze medal after beating former champions China. Japan won the Asia Cup title after defeating the South Korea. Three. Which is the largest exported items among all fresh food categories from India? A. Fresh grapes. B. Guava. C. Fresh mangoes. D. Betel leaves and nuts. The correct answer will be A. Fresh grapes. India's export of fresh fruit has also witnessed considerable growth. Fresh grape is the largest exported item among all fresh food category. During 2020-21, the export value of fresh grapes was USD 314 million. Four. On which date Constituent Assembly of India met for the first time? A. June 13, 1946. B. June 6, 1946. C. December 9, 1946. D. June 12, 1946. Correct answer will be the C. December 9, 1946. The Constituent Assembly met for the first time on 9 December 1946, reassembling on 14 August 1947 as a sovereign body and successor to the British Parliament authority in India. As a result of the partition under the Mountbatten Plan, a separate Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was established on 3rd June 1947. Five. As per the official data of the government, what is the number of children affected due to COVID in India? A. 74 lakhs. B. 1.54 lakhs. C. 5.54 lakh. D. 15.54 lakh. Correct answer is B. 1.54 lakh. According to the official data, the number of children affected due to COVID in India is 1,53,827. This is not restricted to children who lost their parents or caregivers. Responding to a recent study by Lancet, which claimed that 19 lakh children in India lost a parent or caregiver to COVID-19. The Ministry of Women and Child Development said that the findings have no correlation to ground realities.